Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to find area of parallelograms. Here 4 examples are given and we will solve these examples one by one. So you will get an idea how to find area of parallelograms. If you see in first example, in first parallelogram, the base is 9 cm and the height is 6 cm. To find the area of parallelogram, we should know the formula for the area of parallelogram, which is A equal B times H, where B means base and H means height. So if you know height and base of parallelogram, it is easy to find the area. So let's get started. So for this parallelogram, I'll write the formula first. A equals B times H, where B represents base and H represents the height. So base is 9 cm. I write 9 here, and height is 6 cm. So I write 6 here. So 9 times 6 is 54 centimeter square. So the area of this parallelogram is 54 centimeter square. If you see in this parallelogram, this portion, this shape, it looks like triangle, and this shape looks like trapezium. If we remove this portion, triangle portion, and move it to this side, then it becomes rectangle. While finding out the area of rectangle, use the formula length times width or base times height. So the same area we use here to find out the area of parallelograms. There is only one difference in between rectangle and parallelogram, that is, in parallelogram there is no right angle, but in rectangles there are 4 right angles. So let's get started. So let's take another example. So in this parallelogram, the height is 8 cm and the base is 10 cm. So first write the formula of area. A equals B times H, where B base is 10 and height is 8. So 8 times 10 equals 80. And the unit is centimeter, so 80 centimeter square. The area of this parallelogram is 80 centimeter square. Now let's look third example. So height in this parallelogram, the height is 2 feet and the base is 12 feet. So first write the formula. A equals B times H. Base is 12 and height is 2. So 12 times 2 is 24 feet square. Now the last example. In this parallelogram, the height is 3 inch and base is 11 inch. So it's very easy to find the area if you know the formula for area of parallelogram. First write that formula. A equals B times H. Base is 11, H is 3. So 11 times 3 is 33 inch square. I hope you have got an idea how to find area of parallelogram. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.